Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to see Outlook, Yahoo or Hotmail mail in Gmail. So in this case, you have to log into your Gmail first. Log into Gmail account. Then you'll find here settings icon on top. Click on this and click on see all settings. After that, you can see here accounts and import. Click on this and you'll find here check email from other accounts, and you have to add a account here. So click on add account and you have to put here your any email like Yahoo Mail, Hotmail or AOL mail, what you want to see your mail from Gmail, like example @yahoo.com. Click on next. Click again and you have to now log into your Yahoo Mail with ID and password and click on next. After that, if you log into your Yahoo Mail, it will be showing in here and you will be able to show all of your Yahoo Mail in your Gmail inbox. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.